get started.
Giovanni wanted to try Payphone Johnny.
Okay.
It's okay.
Try it.
Did okay.
Let's try it.
thank you. Let me tell you guys, it feels so good in here, you know? Hans, can I move in here? This is beautiful, man. This is the special Zimmer, man. It's great to be here. All our friends from Frankfurt, you know?
Oh, me.
All my Bornheimer, all my old Bornheimer friends are here. Ich bin a Bornheimer, you know? Yeah, I used to eat where all the stars eat, at the Wienerwald, baby. We had a lot of fun. All right, thank you very much. I want to introduce the band to you. I'm very, very happy and proud to have this wonderful tenor saxophonist from Frankfurt with us this evening. And he's been with us for a few years now. Every time we come out here, and Giovanni turned me on to him. That's Peter Coleman, the tenor saxophonist. And those of you who lived in Frankfurt for a long time, do you remember on the Berliner Straße there was a little Kneipe called the Jazz Kneipe? Yeah, well, we used to play there, we used to spiel there and spiel there and spiel and spiel and spiel. That's Giovanni Galino from the Jazz Kneipe, everybody. And guess what? Yeah. Those are the same drums. The same drums. From the, what was that, the Berliner Straße 80, I think it was, by the rumor, you know? The Hinter, the the Frankfurter Hotel was here, and we were there, you know? Yeah, but it was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun there. We had a lot of pizza parties.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the string section, that's the Burgermeister, Joe Berger. Yeah, we like to play a little blues that we like to open up with. By the way, the last tune, we never played that until just the other night. I pulled it out from my book, and we wanted to dedicate that to a friend of mine, a tenor saxophonist from Hamburg, from Bremen, actually, from Bremen. Lutz Bruckner, he was a beautiful, beautiful cat. You know, he left us last year. And he was on my album that we recorded that. It's called Payphone Johnny.